Welcome back to Echoes of Travel. Today we're heading to the Triumph showroom to pick up our brand new Scrambler 400X, and holy smokes, when we got there we were absolutely blown away by the jaw-dropping red Baby Tiger 660, the timeless cool Bonneville and the beastly Tiger 1200, all lined up and screaming pure excitement. And here it is, my Scrambler 400X. Just look at the retro vibe mixed with modern tech. I'm 5'4" and yeah, this seat is 835 mm, which is pretty tall for a Scrambler, but you know what? I hopped on and it feels totally manageable. No fear, just pure excitement. Alright, it was just yesterday that we took the delivery of the bike, and today we're here at the Triumph Service Center to get the accessory kit installed onto this bike. So we had 5 set of accessories that you get free with the bike. One is the high mudguard, the windscreen, the tank pad, the top box rack and a t-shirt. After decking out the Scrambler with accessories, I took it for a spin, and let me tell you, it rode like a dream. Perfectly dialed in for my kind of riding. Well, that's it for today's adventure in Echoes of Travel, picking up the Scrambler 400X and getting blown away by Triumph's incredible lineup. A huge shout out to Triumph showroom for making the delivery process so smooth and hassle-free. If you've got a Triumph Scrambler yourself, drop a comment below and let me know your favorite accessories or recent upgrades. I would love to hear about them. Hit that like button, subscribe for more rides, and we'll catch up on the next journey.